Take your rubbish with you or put it in a bin. It's not far, there's bins absolutely everywhere. There's one here, 2 across the road there, one over there. Don't be lazy, take it with you. We get here first thing in the morning, for about 7, go through all the bins in the town, the main bins, Maddox Street, Lloyd Street, etc. Empty them all, clean them all out, and then come back here around about 1:30 after dinner time, where we find that bin, the one by the Carlton are full again. And obviously before we knock off at 6 o'clock, we try and come here at 4 o'clock too. We try and do a bit of litter picking, clean up the town as we can. Send in the tanks first with the sweepers. We follow them up behind, going in and out the doorways. Yeah, we're finding out we're emptying the bins 3 to 4 times a day now in the main heartbeat of the town, but we're trying to keep on top of it. A message to the tourists, use the bins or take your rubbish away. Thank you very much.